Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy New Year. It's 2023, the year of change for so many people. We're looking at starting this with good intentionality and just trying to do some positive things for our health in the new year. One of the kind of new videos we wanted to share with you was about stretching on our lateral side. I've been having a lot of patients come in asking me, hey, I feel tight all through my sides, my hips, my knees. They don't know how to get that deeper stretch in there. They've been doing hamstrings and low back and it just hasn't quite cut it. So I want to give you a couple good stretches to kind of start off with everything here. First one we're going to do is the IT band. So the IT band is a fibrous tissue that actually runs all the way from the hip here all the way down to the knee. If you feel it, it feels really tight on most people. It's always under constant tension, but it is really important for structural support. So to stretch this, well, it's a little bit tricky to stretch, but what we'll do, we'll come and find a nice solid wall, put our arm against it this way. We drop our leg back here this way behind and cross over with our good side. Then what we're going to do is take our opposite hand, place it on our hip, come to like the edge of our foot and slowly start to elongate and press in to the actual wall. You should feel that stretch right through here. That's what the majority of that stretch is coming along the side of the leg. So IT bands are really important to all of our runners, people who are looking out there trying to start doing some marathons or whatever with the new year. So this is a good one for us to look at because you don't want it pulling that patella all the way laterally. We want to keep it nice and stretched and even. So this is a good stretch as a beginner. It may not be quite deep enough for some of the people who are trying to be a little bit more active. So I wanted to give you a quick modification for this. If you go to the floor, find a mat table or a yoga mat, you can get into the position where you're keeping your leg that you want to stretch all the way along the floor. You're going to get into almost like a 1, 2, 3 stance. You're going to lift up, put that hand on that hip and again kind of press down into the ground and you should feel that stretch in the same spot for that IT band. All of our stretches, 12 to 15 seconds is what you need, and you need to do it multiple times on both sides. So that way you're going to keep yourself nice and even, not creating any imbalances as we're doing it. Last stretch, so we've hit the legs, we need to hit for that kind of sides and low back. If you kind of come into your sides, most people are going to feel a lot of tightness. So most people know that they have their abs, the rectus abdominis right through here, and they know that they have lower back muscles through here. The latissimus dorsi is the most superficial one, the shallow one. But a lot of people don't realize that they have oblique muscles that are kind of cross fibers a little bit off in this area. So to get these muscles to stretch, it's really difficult. What you have to do is be intentional with it. So you're going to start right here and turn your foot outwards just slightly, whichever side you want to stretch. You're going to put that out at about a 45-degree angle. What you're then going to do is bring your arm over your head and come and stretch and lean into it this way. You'll feel yourself coming across your body and you'll get a good stretch all the way through this area. We usually complement and pair that with our latissimus dorsi stretch. Check that out on our low back stretches video because this is a great one to kind of pair with it because you're getting that superficial muscle, but then you also want to get the muscles that are a little bit deeper that are kind of responsible for us being able to twist and turn and everything else in our life. So these are 3 great things that I want you to start incorporating into your day. Maybe you're actually going to realize that, hey, I got a little bit of stiffness. I need to take care of this. So 2023 can be the year of change, you making positive steps in your health journey, and we want to partner with you in that. And so we're so glad that you're watching this video and kind of seeing what you can do. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us, put a comment in the chats, or you can come in here and come get a treatment. We can help you address your personal needs. So thank you. Happy 2023 to all of you. I wish you the best with this year, and God bless.